What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am making an avocado protein treatment. If you'd like to see how I made it, please continue watching. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making an avocado um, protein treatment for my hair. So I'm about to show y'all what I use in this treatment. Basically, the things you need is 2 avocados. Make sure your avocados are really ripe and soft. That was my mistake on this one. I used both types of wild growth oil, which is I believe is a heavy oil and a light oil. So I used both of those. I also used a sweet almond oil. And lastly, castor oil. Oh, I also used 1 egg, which is not in this picture, but you'll see it a little bit later. So the first thing you want to do is cut up your avocado and place it into the bowl. You want to smash it really good. Yeah, I had to zoom in for y'all because I saw it was just way too far away. But you want to smash that avocado in really well. You want it to make sure that you don't have lumps of avocado in your hair because it'll be kind of hard to remove. I eventually brought in my blender, well, my mixer, and you'll see that in a few also. See, my avocado wasn't very ripe, so it was kind of hard to mix by hand. And y'all, this is my first time doing this, so bear with me. You see that whiteness? That should be very green. This avocado is not very ripe. I had 2 ripe ones, but they went bad before I had a chance to make the video. So I had to run to the store and get 2 new ones. And I wanted to do this protein treatment to that day. So I had to go with what I had, which is 2 not so ripe avocados. What I'm doing is trying to smash it up a little bit before I start adding in the oils, so that the oils are in every part of it. And I saw that it was kind of hard to smash it because these avocados wasn't that ripe. So like I said, my point, get some very ripe avocados. If you can and you don't have that, your store doesn't have very ripe avocados, just set the avocados aside for a couple days and they should be ripe for you soon. I believe this is where I walked away and got the blender. I mean it's still called the blender, I believe, or mixer, whatever you want to call it. Because I saw that I was going to have a hard time getting them lumps out by hand. So this is where I went to go get it. So what I'm doing now is mixing it and trying to get the lumps out before I start adding on my oil. So you see me blending it, trying to get it kind of smooth, which is pretty much working with getting the lumps out. You can still see there's a little bit in there. I tried to make it so y'all could see me mixing it, which the machine's a little bit bigger than the bowl, but you can still see it quite a bit. Get some bumps out. Get some bumps out. Get some bumps out. Get some bumps out. We don't want no lumpy avocado. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No lumpy avocado. No, 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 no lumpy avocados. Alright, time for the oils. I'm about to put in a few squirts of this. I basically do a few squirts of each oil. You can put in how much you want to put in there. It's up to you. This was a brand new bottle. I think both of them were brand new bottles. I have some open ones somewhere. I have no idea where I put them. About 3 squirts of the avocado. Of the wild growth oil. And a few squirts of that one also. It's about 3 squirts. It's a brand new bottle also. I think I just poured this one in without the lid. Oh no, I didn't. A couple squirts there too. And now for the castor oil. There's barely any in there, but you know. That was on the last bit of this bottle, so I was like, maybe I'll put it all in there. Then I said, nah. So I just put a few squirts in there, and then I just went and got the egg because, you know, I realized I forgot to put it on the counter. Well, I'm recording it, so, you know, she'll be coming back at any moment. Where are you, girl? Oh, I'm back. 1 egg. No shells. Thank ya. Now I'm gonna blend it all together. Blend it, blend it, blend it all together. Now blend it, blend it. And I'm blending it until it's nice and smooth. Look. No lumps and bumps. Well, I learned that I still had some lumps and bumps in it when I put it in my hair. But it's not as much as it would have been if I didn't use the blender. Just keep blending it, blending it, blending it, blend it till it's nice and smooth. All done blending. Alright, y'all, this is what I ended up with. It still has a few lumps and bumps, but it's pretty smooth. You'll see the lumps and bumps when I bring it closer to the camera. See, it's still a few in there, but it was fine. When I washed it out my hair, it all came out. I still might have had a few in there, but when I brushed and detangled my hair, they fell out. So basically it just worked out fine for me. But this is how mine look. That you can see the little bumps and lumps, but it was fine. Alright y'all, the next video will be of me applying this to my hair and my thoughts and reviews of it. Alright y'all, see y'all in the next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!